How to do the lateral raise. With a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing in, stand upright with your feet shoulder width apart and your arms down by your sides. With straight arms, exhale as you raise the dumbbells out to the sides until your arms are parallel with the floor. Hold the contraction for a moment and then inhale as you lower the dumbbells back to your starting position. Just repeat it for a full set.